Good Wednesday, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Condor here with your severe storm timeline for Wednesday afternoon and the evening. Number one, OKC is not in the risk, and that risk just barely clips Ada, Holdenville, Hughes County there in a level 1, and then outside the KOCO viewing area does bump up to level 2 risk, and that is going to be for two things. A very low tornado risk on a scale 1 to 10. We're going to give it a 2 in green. And then large hail. I think we can see some hail down there up to about the size of golf balls. The timing, I think storms really struggle. Probably won't go up till about sunset. And when they go up, they'll take off very quickly to the east. So we're talking Atoka and Idabel, the Talamina Drive, and then those will move off to the northeast and they'll be out of the state by about 10 p.m. So it's a very small window, but we'll have to watch those storms in southeastern Oklahoma. Here's what you really need to know. We're all going to get hit with some pretty significant winds on Friday. Hold on. It will bring bad fire danger, some wind damage is possible, blowing dust. Now, we're going to get very specific about those winds because I feel like they're going to be gusting 60 miles an hour, if not higher. So make sure you come back, pay us a visit. You have so many chances. 4, 5, 6, 10 p.m. Chief Meteorologist Dan Mullane. He'll be in. He'll have your updated 5+5 day forecast.